first step today is cutting our frame for our chin-up bar. We're going to be using that 90 by 90 dressed pine again. And we're going to need 2 at 2100, 2 at 700 and 2 at 300. We're going to be fixing those in using these brackets, which are 270 by 75 by 5mm thick. Following that, we can then fix it into our floor using some L brackets. To start putting in our chin-up bar at the top here and our 4 handles at the front. So our chin-up bar needs to be 1200 long and our 4 handles need to be 200mm long. So we've got 2 coming out this way for our dips and 2 uprights for our ab exercises. And we're going to be using 30mm gel tubing. We're going to need to drill a 32mm hole and then we'll fix those in using some batten screws. Okay, so we're on the home stretch now. What's needed is our back support. And the way we're going to go about this is cutting 2 bits of this 100 by 90mm pine, and we're going to fix those in using chipboard screws at the bottom here. Then we need to cut 1 up the top. Now the reason for having 2 at the bottom is to make sure our seat is on a slight angle to make sure it's extra comfortable. Following that, we can then cut our seat using this 250 by 90mm pine, and we need to cut that at 300mm. Then we can put our yoga mat on. And we're done today, guys. So as you can see, I ended up putting these handles at the bottom. Now I picked these up from Bunnings for $4 for the pair, so I thought it'd be very rude not to put those on, and they're perfect for doing our push-ups. Up the top here, we have our bar for doing our chin-ups and pull-ups. In the center here, we have our horizontal handles for doing our dips. And last but not least, we have our vertical bars for doing our ab exercises and achieving that desired washboard just in time for summer in a couple of months.